Home is more than four walls and a roof. It's the atmosphere we cultivate, the peace we protect, and the love we nurture within. Create a home you can live in isn't about protection, it's about intention. By wisdom, a house is built, and through understanding, it is established. Through knowledge, its rooms are filled with rare and beautiful treasures. A livable home welcomes both joy and rest. It holds space for both celebration and stillness. Whether your space is grand or modest, God honors a heart that seeks Him within its walls. Let your home reflect your values. Create corners for prayer. Set your table with love. Let laughter echo in the halls. And let grace be your language spoken. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Declutter what no longer serves your peace. That includes objects, habits, and even thoughts. Open the windows, let light flood in. Let God breathe fresh life into your home and heart. Better a little with the fear of the Lord than great wealth with turmoil. A livable home is one where everyone feels seen, valued, and safe. Speak gently, forgive quickly, and love deeply. Love must be sincere. Hate what is evil, cling to what is good. Be devoted to one another in love. In the end, it's not just about where you live, it's about how you live in it. With God at the center, even the humblest home becomes a scared place. Unless the Lord builds the house, the builders labor in vain. Let your home be a reflection of God's grace, a place of peace, purpose, and presence. Family, like I always say, if you are not walking with God, you are walking with the devil. And if your God is dead, come and try mine. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Judith, an interior designer who's totally into all things design, DIY, fragrances, and a bit of lifestyle stuff here and there. So if you're into that kind of a mix, you're definitely in the right space. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be styling back my space. So if you're interested to see how I put my space back together, how I change things up just a little bit to make it look new and fresh. If you want to see those tips, go ahead, stick around. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video. And again, welcome back.
Oh yeah, yeah. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you pause on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, what you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just went through it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side. And it's okay for you. Take a day or two. Get your mind together. Sing it with me. Say all to Jesus. I surrender all to thee. I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live. Yeah, I surrender all. Ooh, I surrender all. Yeah, all to thee, my blessed I'm in awe. Oh my God, you amaze me, you're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage, so let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes. And I just be stuck in the daze, and you tell me that it's not about the way I sing. Then you question me for why I'm even questioning, cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it. And I can't commit my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game to tryna selling tickets. And if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you hearing? Say all to Jesus, I surrender all to thee, I freely give. I will ever love and trust him in his presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all. Oh yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. Oh yeah, I surrender all. Yeah, You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days. 'Cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. November gets cold. December gets darker. Let me know when you're home. 'Cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely. I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. Close. Side. Wanna be by your side. Close. Just for a while. Stay by my side.
Thought this was what it meant to be loved. Falling so hard, 'cause you said you'd be there to